Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tanya, and as you can see that I have wore a green top today. So I have decided to actually coordinate my eyeshadow with the green top. So I'll be doing a green makeup today along with this top. So I have absolutely no idea how that will gonna turn out, but I really wanted to experiment like this. So without wasting any time, let's get started. I think the first important step that we should all follow before doing our makeup is to prep our skin, and before that also it's very important to clean your skin, let it breathe. So I'll be quickly cleaning up my face. As you can see, there's a bit of dirt on my face, and I have a little tint also on my lips. So I'll just quickly gonna start the makeup, but before that I'll be using this Himalaya refreshing cleanser milk. So I'll be using this to clean my face. So this will always gonna be my first thing ever. So I've taken some cleanser on my my cotton pad. I'm going to quickly clean my face with this. You can use any cleansing milk or face wash to clean your face, but I think it's very important step before starting your makeup to remove every dirt and everything that is already there on your face, so that you can just start fresh. As you can see that I've already cleaned my face, like I've used the cleansing milk to clean it. So the second very important step that I'm going to be doing is that I'll be using this MUA facial spray. So I'll be using this to actually moisturize, tone my skin, So I'm gonna be using it. I'm just gonna spray it on my face. Guys, I completely love this product, not because it is a spray toner, but firstly its fragrance is really amazing, and secondly it gives you, actually it refreshes your face, and I think that gives you a really refreshing feeling. So I just completely love this product when it comes to toning, and above all it's really a good toner. So I